Learn advanced numerology course by Astro-Numero Raksha Rajeshwari from basic to advanced level and become a certified numerologist.
Master numerology from the comfort of your home with the world's most trusted online numerology and Loshu Grid course. Module 1, Chaldean Numerology. Introduction to Numerology. Chaldean System. Calculation and significance of core number. Single-digit and double-digit numbers. Karmic debt number. Challenge number. Module 2, Chaldean Numerology. Single-digit number. Compound number. How to prepare numerology chart. Number combination and its significance. Sun sign, zodiac sign analysis. Name analysis in details. Corporate name analysis. City, country, car number, house number analysis. Health analysis in details. Love and relationship analysis in details. Matchmaking. Marriage time. Year analysis and prediction. Good year for career, finance and other aspects of life. Lucky number, lucky color analysis. How to do chart analysis and prediction using the Chaldean method.
Bank account numerology, email account, password and security numbers, numerology, mobile, advanced numerology, vehicle, no, advanced numerology, business name analysis, advanced numerology. Lucky and avoidable colors. Lucky profession and occupation as per numerology, profession as per DC, combinations and luck factor between primary and secondary numbers with examples. Health and numerology. Date of birth, compounded numbers, meaning get blessings and worship deity, God as per your numbers in numerology. Advanced general characteristics of numbers 1 to 9, missing numbers in Loshu Grid numerology, repeated numbers in Loshu Grid. Remedies in numerology.
Most trusted numerology course. Be a professional numerologist.
Enroll and join us today.